You are watching the fourth video of our series, We Design at SQ1. To view the other titles in this playlist, see the links in the description below. Alexander Graham Bell once said, "Before anything else, preparation is the key to success." We believe in this motto, and view planning as a critical part of success. In keeping with this, we will prepare a detailed manufacturing plan for your product that will act as our playbook moving forward. This plan will outline important details of your product manufacturing, such as a list of active documents, floor plan design, and special equipment used in production. We will also track production metrics within this plan, centered around quality, cost, and delivery. Building on the draft documents used to this point, we will create detailed work instructions and forms for your product. Like all other documents generated throughout design, you will have the opportunity to review and approve these prior to implementation. Work instructions are a central part of your DMR and are regularly audited for adequacy. Having our plan and work instructions in place, we are ready to perform a manufacturing process verification. This is intended to verify that our product can consistently meet requirements, and that our production process is both repeatable and reliable. All the hard work has paid off, and your product is officially ready to enter production. In this new phase, the challenges will be different, but the knowledge gained from the market and your customers will be critical in improving your existing product and launching your next one.